as you can see, currently my text box will not let itself be edited if I use the text tool right here. If I just click on it and try to edit it, or actually if I reset my workspace after saving my work and just move this around, nothing works to actually edit this text. However, you can still your effects on this text. So if you double tap on the text in your layers panel, we can actually double click on this stroke and view all the layers on this actual text, such as the outer glow settings and the stroke settings like so. And you can still change the name for this text. So the only way, I've actually gone through a bunch of forums to actually fix this. The only way I've found to fix this is unfortunately making a new text layer and actually just using the same exact settings as you did in the previous text, like this, just the same color. And as you can see, we can basically just view the same exact effects that are on the other layer, the other text layer. As you can see, we can basically just recreate it like so. And yeah, that's the only way to actually fix this thing. I haven't found a way to actually edit this, and believe me, I've tried everything. So if you found a way, please let us know in the comments. This happens way more than it should.